morning, children. Today we are going to learn the topic inside and outside. Let us see about some basic concepts of inside and outside. Look at here. In the first picture, the teddy is in the box. This is a box and teddy is in the box. You can see here small teddy and this teddy is in the box. So the position of this teddy is inside the box. Okay. But look at here in the second picture, the teddy is sitting in front of the box. So the position of this teddy is outside of the box. Okay. So let us see some more examples to make us clear about the concept of inside and outside. Children, you can see this is a compass box and this is a pen. Now we learn the concept of inside or outside, the helping this compass box and this pen. Okay. Now I put this pen in the compass box. Okay. So the position of this pen is inside the box, inside the compass box. The position of this pen inside in the box. Okay. Now I put this pen in front of the box. Okay. So the position of this pen is outside of the box. Okay. Outside of the box. Let us see more examples. This is also a box, green box, and what is this? This is colors, right? So the what is the position of these colors? Right, the position of these two colors in the box means inside the box. The position of these colors inside the box. Now I put these colors in front of the box. Now what is the position of these colors? Right, outside of the box. The position of these colors outside of the box. Okay. Let us see one more examples. So children, what is this? This is a box, right? And what is this? This is a crayons, right? So I put these crayons in this box. Okay. So tell me the position of these crayons. What is the position of these crayons? Right, inside. These all crayons in the box and this position of these crayons is inside the box. Okay. Now I put all these crayons in front of the box. I put all these crayons in front of this box. Now what is the position of these crayons? Right, outside. The position of all these crayons is outside of the box. Okay. So children, do you understood the concept of inside and outside? Okay. Let us see more examples. Okay. Look at the first picture. The position of this dog is inside, right? And in second picture, the position of this dog is outside. All these gems inside, and in second picture the position of these gems outside, right? Next, the dog is inside, right? The position of this dog is inside, and here the dog is outside of the home, so the position of this dog is outside. Next, the position of these children is inside the tent, so the position of these children is inside, and here the children's in front of this tent, so the position of these children is outside. Write the things which is outside. Look at here in the first picture. What is the position of this bird? Inside or outside? Right, the position of this bird is outside. So tick here right, okay? In the next, the position of this parrot inside. The position of the joker, the position of this joker inside, because the joker stand in the box, okay? Here the position of plant inside, right? Look at here, the position of these bottles in front of the box, so the position of these bottles outside. So tick right here, okay? Okay, so all of you understood the inside or outside, the basic concepts of inside or outside. Okay.